Hello techies. In our previous tutorial, we have learned how to install Claude Code by using commands. Now, in this session, we will learn how to install Claude Code desktop application on our computer. Alright, let me switch to the browser and then I'm going to navigate to platform.claude.com. On the left hand side, you can see the menu such as dashboard, API keys, build and many more. Along with that, you will find Claude Code. Let's click on the usage over there. Once you click on the usage, there you will find build faster with Claude Code. There you will find the button get started. Let's click on that. There you can see you will find the documents about the Claude Code, the overview and how to quick start with Claude Code, right? Along with that, there you will find get started. In our previous tutorial, we have learned how to install Claude Code by using the terminal, right? And along with that, we have used the Windows command such as curl script. Now, in this session, we will learn how to install Claude Code that is for the desktop app, right? There you can find terminals, Visual Studio Code, desktop app, web and JetBrains, right? There you can find desktop app. Let's click on that. This is the standalone app for running our Claude Code using our IDE or terminal. Now to download and install the Claude Code, there we are having the options such as Mac OS, Windows and Windows ARM64. My system is Windows installed, so that I'm going to use Windows 64-bit. Let me click on that, which it will download the installer for the Claude setup. Now, our Claude setup installer has downloaded successfully. Now to install our Claude Code on our desktop, I'm going to double click on this Claude setup. Let me double click on that. There you can see our Claude Code is trying to download the required packages and then it is trying to install on our desktop. It will take some time to install the Claude. There you can see our Claude has installed successfully on our local computer. There you can find charts. Inside the chart, you can find new chart, projects, artifacts, customizer, and many more. Along with that, you can find Claude Cowork and Claude Code to build our agents. Alright, I hope you understand how to install Claude Code desktop application as part of this tutorial.